So this blog I'm implementing from the SEO on page code. There is three things. One is called title, description, and keywords. Now here I'm writing for title here. Movers in Abu Dhabi, Dubai, and UAE. So this project belongs to for which company? GM Movers UAE. See here, what is that? Movers in Abu Dhabi. This symbol nothing but pipe symbol. Symbol nothing but pipe. Abu Dhabi or Dubai or UAE. But common keyword is movers. Suppose you're looking for digital marketing. Digital marketing training in Hyderabad or Madhapur or Amirpet. Nothing but if you're looking for Hyderabad or Madhapur and Amirpet, any location we can show our keyword will be top one position. Simple one here. What is the keyword here? Direct Labs WMS online training. Here replacing for USA. What is the first website? Why? We are using for empty one. This is all global wise. I'm searching for where, which location? USA. Which was the first position website? Rudra. Suppose in US replace UK. Which is the first website? Why? One website they use in the multiple countries. How many countries? Multiple countries and multiple cities also. Suppose I'm searching for local Hyderabad. Which website? Global wise and local wise. Our website will be top one position. The keyword will be declared by where? In your title tag. That will be declared by here. So my blog will be located by the three places. One is called Abu Dhabi, Dubai, and UAE. What does it mean by UAE? We can give the complete keyword also. What does it mean by UAE? Nothing much. See. See. So I'm writing description here. Are you looking for movers in Abu Dhabi, Dubai, UAE? Just I'm give the number here. Nine 71 55 603 6004. Just I'm give this. What is the last one? Keywords. Movers in Abu Dhabi. They searching by Dubai movers also. So I'm searching by UAE movers in UAE, movers in Dubai. Last one, our company name, GA Movers UAE. Yeah, they search by the both keywords. Movers in Dubai, Dubai movers. Suppose I'm searching for Dubai movers. Who are the best Dubai movers? So Dubai were matching by your title. So each some searching by the movers in Dubai. So movers will be matching for first. You can wrap any kind of keywords. See here, I'm writing for title, description, and keyword. What is the author name? My company name is the author. What is the name is? GM Movers UAE. one website, we can create your blog, WordPress, everything is possible by the one website. We are rotating for the number of traffic on your website based on the blogs and WordPress and websites. So these all depended by your SEO on page, nothing but title tag, description and keywords. So today will run with your this one. Just some hold for the Google Plus page. Just come down. This is all your same content. This is about your rating your content. Visit your days. So what is the traffic will be getting from your visitors? This is all your depend on your complete backend code. This is your language selection. Suppose you are selected by English. You can select your Urdu, Tamil and Telugu. You can select by the based on your website. I'm understand only for English website. Suppose your website will be Tamil. You can tell language will be Tamil. They identify by the browsers. So here, this is all about search engine purpose. Google, Bing and Yahoo and MSN. See here. So what is that here? Very important we discuss. Canonical form. What do you mean by canonical form? One page we get two URLs. Simple one, just I show the example here. This is called gmovers.ua.com. What is that? Is one URL. Suppose I'm clicking for home page. What is the URL name? .com/index.php. One web page, two URLs. What is called? It's purely for spam one URL. So the two URL will be indicated by one URL. They are indicated by the canonical form. Look here. In a backend, we're writing for canonical form here. Flipkart, Amazon, Snapdeal, any kind of website without canonical form, they call spam content. Same product promoted for multiple websites. They will be stated with the same name. So what is called? The title will be matching for same. So the reason is your title will be matching by the call. So in your same website, we're using by two pages for one product. What is called? They call, Google will be called duplicate. So the duplicate purpose we're using by the canonical form is very important. So clear? Just here, I'm doing this one. Just I'm give them my blog URL. Copy this one. We can give URL by here in a domain name. Copy this one. So I'm prepare complete my on-page code. So I'm applying to where? My blogger. Please write down. After preparing SEO on-page code, just go to the blogger dashboard. Blogger.com. Blogger dashboard nothing but blogger.com. Here the option call is theme. So we already discussed any kind of backend code we adding by where? In our using by theme option. So click for edit HTML. So if you are doing website or blog, the code will be added by the only for header tag. Always showing by the, I'm copy this code here. Just go to back. Here, this header will be start with the which one line? Fourth. End with 1005. Where? End with 1005. When you're starting header, just copy this link. Paste your code. So always remember when you're coding with the using with the /. Always using with the end tag. Suppose you're forgetting end tag, the code will be called error. I'll show you here. Just look. I'm adding this code. Now just click for save it. See here. One error will be matched here. You can check. One issue will be there here. See here. Google Play not finishing with the end. Done. Now hide notification. Now click for save it. No error. Suppose I remove the hen tag. Where? Which line? 24. Remove this. Save thing. What is called? It is error. So this is called coding knowledge. The only for this coding using by Unpage. The code given by your myself only. So here, where you are missing for 24. Add here. Now just save thing. It's perfect. Now check your, go to your Blogger. Now refresh. If you open your backend code in your Blogger website, what is called? Click for Control U. See here. It's done. What we are adding the SEO on page code, they're added by the your backend. It's clear? Is it perfect? Now this is called we are adding for SEO on page from your Blogger and website. Both are same. Now here, this is my company I'm showing here. Here, what's the title we'll be using here? Customer company, SEO services, agency, online training, Hyderabad, Somajuguda and Rakesh Tech Solutions. Something like. Suppose I'm adding the my page code. Where the title will be there in the header part. Now simple we are using by backend code. What is called? Control U. What's the title here? Suppose I'm adding one place is called Madhapur. So you have to say for developer, I need to add to the one place, the name called is Madhapur. Simple one, developer they going to is the one panel is called C panel. Just look here, this is called C panel here. It's done by the developers. Just open your C panel, click for login. This is nothing but complete C panel. In the website changes is done by the C panel. Bloggers and WordPress done by the Blogger dashboard. That is a free of cost. We can create a website is a Blogger and WordPress. It's a free of cost. Now here I'm going to file manager. Same. Why using phone like your storage? Let's call file manager. Same will be using by file managers. The option call is public_HTML. The option call is public_HTML. See here, what is the title here? Digital marketing company, SEO services, agency, online training in Hyderabad, Somajuguda. Just I'm adding replace from Hyderabad. Just go here. I'm changing for here. Now I'm changing this. See here. Yes or no? This title I'm changing for. After Somajuguda, I'm adding for. What is that? Madhapur. Now save this. Come to here. So previous up to Somajuguda is there. Now refresh. Added. So already I'm existing on page is there. I'm adding for an extra keyword. We're adding by here. So this is done by the developers. But SEO on page code run right by the who are learn with digital marketing and right by the SEO on page code. The keywords are given by the clients, or we can search keyword by the yourself. That is using Google AdWords. When you're teaching Google AdWords time, we can discuss about this topic, how to select your keywords particular website wise. See here, this is called adding your on page code. Please write down syntax here. Now guys, write down is heading for meta title tag. Write down the syntax here. If anybody show the syntax, this is a syntax. Primary keyword, pipe symbol, secondary keyword, pipe symbol, terminal keyword is the last one. This is a basic fundamental, guys. So secondary and tertiary, they supported by the primary keyword. Suppose online movies. We take example like this. Online movies is a primary keyword. Digital market is a primary. Digital market training in the secondary. Then nothing but digital marketing services. We adding location will be called Hyderabad and everything will be called. We give the multiple locations using with the pipe symbol. Done here. Come down. Nothing but meta description and SEO. So based on the title, writing your example here. This is a syntax. The meta description syntax will be like this. So they will match on your keywords based on your target title. So what are the title you are targeting based on keyword? They can match on your description and your keyword also. Meta description and meta keywords. In a previous, we are asking one question. Dubai movers in Dubai. They're asking question. See here. Online watch movies. Movies online watch. Both are same keyword. We are changing for the options. Human mind will be like that. Suppose you're searching for digital online training, but I'm searching for online digital marketing training. My mind is different. So based on search will be also completely different. Different person search by the different kind of keywords. So the keyword will be matching by your where? Meta keywords. So here we display like this. Online watch movies, movies online watch, online movies, watch movie online, free movies online. See last one, Hindi, Hollywood movie and Telugu, Tamil and Malayalam. Last we can give the all kind of languages. We can add Urdu and something like also. This is called we are adding for meta description. If you are give the one sentence another sentence, we can use it by comma. But using by title, they using by B pipe symbol. That's nothing but our symbol. See here, this is called meta keywords. Please write down the example here. This is called meta keywords. See here, this is called title tag and description and keywords. So here in the SEO on page, very important thing is that what is called header tags. In each and every website we are using how many headings? Using by one heading. They are described by the H1 to H6. So here, suppose I can give putting for this one, it will be heading. I can putting for JMOs, it will be heading. Simple one. I go to your blog here. As I'm clicking for post option, they will click for edit. Look here. I'm give this JMovers UI. Just copy this one. These are all your normal things. What is called heading, subheading, minor heading and normal. Suppose I'm putting for heading here. What is that? using by the header tags. Like this. H1, H2, H3, H4, H5. Any website is major issue. Lot of member is a facing problem with here only for header tags. Each and website is using only for one H1 tag only. If you're using more than H1 tag, that is called error. Any website complete based on for only for header tags. Each and every page only for one H1 tag. Simple one, you can take the one example. Complete textbook you can take. How many headings are there? Main heading? 1. We're using by number of headings. Same like our website also. Enter website only for one is main header. Nothing but your company name or your keyword. Anything IBM is your main keyword. You are targeted by the IBM. So by your company will be Flipkart. We are adding by Flipkart here. My website will be GM Movers. I'm targeting my keyword is the GM Movers. Using with where? Heading, subheading. This is called H1, H2, H3, H4. Like that. Same like this. If you go developers, same like that. Suppose if you go my website, simple I show them my website here. Just come down. What is that? Is a web design. Is a what is called? H1, H2, H3, H4. How to check? What is that? Web design is my keyword is there. All the title is there. That give the which one? H1, H2, H3, H4. Which one? Are using this one. How to check? We can check by the where. Control U. So first of all, we can select my keyword here. What is that? Web designing. Now Control F. If you're searching by what is using by Control F. Web designing. See here. What's the tag here? H5 or H1? H5. Start with H5, end with H5. So what are the headings we using by your website? We can depend on by the headings. It's very important. So each website, how many headings we can use? Only one H1 tag. If exceed more than H1 tags, it is called error. Is it clear? This is called we can using by the header tags. Here, now we can discuss here is main heading. Now click for update. Now you go to your blogger. Now refresh. See. This is a main heading. Remaining will be normal content. So they will show by the added by the heading. Is it clear? This is called we adding by heading into your blogger. Same will be adding by your website. This is done by the developers. But what is your task? First check how many heading tags are there in your website. They check by the tools are there. One tool will be the write down. One tool will be called WooRank toolbar. WOORANK. WooRank toolbar. This is called browser extension. WooRank. WOORANK. WooRank toolbar. Second one is website iwebchk.com. iwebchk.com. Look here. This is my blog. Copy this URL. What is the website called? We say it for iwebchk.com. Any kind of website is called how many headings you can use. We check by this website here. Any kind of website, not only Flipkart, not only my website, any kind of website. Now simple here. Just copy the URL, click for review. They give entire report your website. The based on report you're working is based on by your search engine optimization. Best score is a 60, very best score is a 80. If you go with the best score, your website no issues. The best score is the 60. See here, my score is how much? 42. Now come down. Too bad, I don't have a social promotions are there. So this one. Now come down. Here, how many images are there? 8. 7 images will be missing for what call? alt tag. Alt tag is nothing but image specific name. So here, how many titles are we using here? 71 is perfect. You are indicate 3 symbol, apostrophe and into mark. Now descriptive, how many characters supported? 76 is perfect. Why? We can give less than using by 160 characters. Now, what is called? Into. Why? They not reach the HTML content on your website. Now, this is all will be. So what are you looking for? Headings. See this. I don't use anything. 0. H1 tag is. So they're showing for 0. What is called? It's called error. So your website has a no H1 tag. What is called? They're showing by error. H2 how many? 5. See come this. Now simple one. We can add by H1 tag in your website. Just go this one. What's that here? GMOS. Copy this one. What is that? HTML. Who know about coding knowledge with writing the knowledge? We can give implement for the how to add in the coding knowledge also. Just Control F. What is called here? S2. We can indicate by H1. Now update. Previous is S2. Now will be called H1. Now refresh. Change or not? Previous is small. Now will be. This is all you are changing by the backend. This is done by the developers. If using by how many H1 tag can use, everything done by who? Developers. Now you can check this one. H1 tag will be fulfilled. So they're showing by the 1 count. They're showing by the 1 count here. Just simple one. We can refresh once again. They will take the 1 hour time. Just will look here. Now we're adding here. See, still is not updating. So when updating, they show by here this tool. This is a free tool. So the updating will take the time for here. So see here. Is it clear? This is one we adding by your header tags. So here they are asking for image will be missing for the alt tags. What is called anything but image specific name? Where we can find out your name. Suppose you're searching for 2018 greetings. 2018 greetings. They're showing for number of greetings. How to show that greetings are in a search engines? Now you take Google here. I'm searching for 2018 greetings. They're showing 2017 or 2018. Why? How to show these greetings? The image promoted by who? Website or Google? How to promote these images? Simple one. I'm go to this image. If I click this image, they open by which website? Happy New Year -2018.org. Look here. Same image. They identify where? In your Google search engine. They will name indicated by the alt tag. Alternative text. Alternative text. Any image we can use specific name. Simple one. Just go to your Blogger. We are adding one image here. Yes or no? Just go to your Blogger dashboard. Click for edit. Compose is one image is there. What's that? Small, medium, large, X large. If you're adding specific one name in your image, what's called? Click for property. What's called? Title test and alt test. Alt test understand by the search engine. Title test understand by the website. Both. One is called image name. Second one is the image specific name. Image nothing but image -jpg .png .gif. The image gives you one specific name. What's called? Alternate test that give by the alt tag. Now here I'm simple writing for movers in Abu Dhabi, Dubai, UAE. So here The keyword belongs to which company? GMOers UAE. Every alt test will be given one specific name, hyphen your company name. Why indicate company name? This image belongs to for my company. So easily find out your company name. This is called. Now click for OK. So if anybody is searching for GM movers, they're showing for this image also. If anybody is searching for movers in Abu Dhabi, Dubai and UAE, they're showing by image. Where? In your search engine, in your image box. Now simple one, click for update. So every image we can give the specific name. Simple one, just come to my website. Here, what is that? Copy image address. You can paste here. What is the image name? SEO marketing.jpg. Copy this image. Go to your website. If you open the backend code, what is called? Control U. Click for Control F. What is the image name? Rakesh Tech Solution. See, here is my image. I'm going to your search by the. Click for images. See, both are same image or not? What the keyword called? I'm searching for Rakesh Tech Solution. They're showing my image. Why? The image specific name, what is called? This is called alt test. This is called, sorry. This is called title test. One is called they understand by the website. They understand by the search engines. This is called title test. This is nothing but alt test. Every image we can give the specific for two names. One is the image name. Second one is the image specific name by the search engines. Simple one. If you lot of members fans with the celebrities, lot of members searching by the simple one. Pawan Kalyan, latest movie. Pics. What I'm searching keyword? Pawan Kalyan latest movie pics. They're showing by latest films or old films. Latest or old. Latest. Come down. They're going to the see this. Everything will be related by the latest one. See this. Up to 5 to 6 search. Remaining will be showing by the old. Why? Because new will be end. They will show by the remaining existing one. Suppose I am searching by the just Pawan Kalyan. They're showing by the n number of pictures. Why? Who are using with the Pawan Kalyan with using by alt test? They're showing by the n number of pictures. Pawan Kalyan latest pics. They will be using by alt test. They're using by the alternate test tag. That is called alt tag. So this is called one kind of business. This is called image optimization. We can learn by the digital marketing. This is nothing but image optimization. This is called image marketing. Through image also we're getting for markets. Suppose suddenly you get one picture. Free demo class for digital marketing. Free class tutorial by the doing by the image. When you click the image, they go to by the website. Why? They call by free demo. Suppose they call by the free training classes by digital marketing. Definitely click by images. Why? You're looking for like that. So based on your images, you can click our image. Yes or no? This kind of is called image marketing. Image marketing displayed by the alt tag. Is it clear? This will declare by the our website and blogs. Blog will be writing by the property. Website will be writing by the specific image. The website done by the developers. Your task will be there. Any image will be missing by alt tag. We can send to the developer. You are missing by the alt tag. Please refill the name call like this. Your task only for send the name. They update by the developers. Simple one. Here careful watch here. Here my image is there. Webdesign.png. What is the name called is Rakesh Tech Solution. Yes or no? What is my image name? Rakesh Tech Solutions. Simple one. Just here. I go to my cPanel here. File manager. I'm changing that alt task name here. It's possible I can change the name also. You can go public underscore HTML. So this is done by the website will be Bootstrap. So who know about the website understanding, we can easily change by the code here. We can check here. The extension will be PNG or JPG. PNG. So you're not there. So you're not there. See here. What's that? Is my logo here. Just go to here. Is my logo here. Just Control F. See here. This logo. Sorry. See, logo will be missing, but what is called? Here alt tag will be missing. This is my logo. So look here. This is my logo. What is missing for? Alt tag. Just I'm writing for alt tag here. Rakesh Tech Solutions logo here. We're updating for my C panel. Now click refresh here. Previous alt tag will be empty. Look here. What is the line will be called? 117. Now refresh. Update by the who? Developers. Suppose you're missing for alt tag specific logo. They're done by the developer. Your task will be called. Your website will be missing for 10 alt tags, 5 alt tags. We can send by developers. They will write in the name for individual alt tag. We can send image. We can give the particular alt name that's given by the your task. The based on the image. So clear? So this is called alt test. We can give particular image will be using by the alt tag. So what's called anchor text. Anchor is nothing but if your website will be 5 pages, 6 pages, every test will be given one particular name called. What is called anchor test. Now here, what is called here? About us. Just copy this URL. What is syntax for anchor test? A space href. A nothing but anchor test. We can do this one syntax here. Just look, guys, look here in the anchor test symbol. A space href is equal double quotes. URL will be writing here. After that, you can give the one specific name. Finish with the okay. This is a syntax. Not URL. This is called URL. This is called anchor test name. Suppose your name will be not identified. They're showing for the no title. What's called no title? Simple one. Just go to your blogger. Here, what is the name called? About us. What is called? 100x. Just go here and go to the pages. Click for contact. I'm going to remove this name. Updates. Now come to here. Click for refresh. See, menu is working. Name is empty. That is called your website will be no anchor test. The anchor test name is this not valid. So how to check? We can use by the two tools, Uran toolbar and iwebchk.com. Two tools will check by the your website anchor test. A simple one, just click for edit, refresh, click for update. A simple one, just go to a post, click for home. Here what is given here? Home is there. You can click for update, refresh. See, is a home. The name will be identified by the GM or UI. Here will be. Now if you click, it's going to the GMOC UI page. Now is the home page. Home page will be default, but remaining will be called. We created the specific pages. Now here, just look. Is my page. Just copy this URL. Go to the home page. Control U. Control F. This one. This URL specific name. What is called name called? About us. Same name. Yes or no? Now click for training. Copy this URL. What's the name called? Trainings. They give by the anchor test. Syntax will be like this. A nothing but anchor. HREF nothing but hyperlink. HREF nothing but hyperlink. Simple one. Just go to your my blog. This is my blog address. What is called here? My social media icons. If I may click my YouTube, they're going to where? My YouTube channel. How to will be give the functional? The function give using by the anchor text. So clear? This is called using by the anchor text. Now, so we using by anchor test, alt tag, everything we using. I'm using by last one, redirections. What is called? Redirection. Here 4 redirection will be there. 301 nothing but permanent redirection. 302 nothing but temporary redirection. 403 nothing but 403 forbidden. Your domain and site will be live. The website is no data. Last one is the 404, file not found. Just look here. I'm clicking for about us. They open for the same page. Yes or no? When you click the about us, they open for the contact us page. When you click the about us, they open for the contact us page. Simple here. Look this one. I'm going to my Blogger dashboard. The option call is settings. In a settings, come down. What is called? HTTP redirect. Now click for S. See here. See what is called? Post feed redirection. Now simple one, click here. So when you click, they reissue the something ID. See here. This is all your read your IDs here. I'm going to the search preference. What is called? One is called page not found. Nothing but 404. What is that? Custom redirection. Now click for here. See here. Already is there. Just I'm going to here. Click for this option. Here, redirect to where? In contact.php. What is called here? Permanent. Permanent nothing but 301. Temporary nothing but 302. Now click here. Save. After that, save arrangement. See here. We are missing for this one. Every symbol is very, very important. Now look here. This is my page. I am clicking for which one? Which page open here? Why? The redirect to the other page. Why? Suppose your page will be 500 pages. Suddenly I am deleting the few pages regarding you are updating your website. You are deleting few pages. Already existing customers are there. The page. When you click the page, they are showing for page not found. So when you click that page, we redirect the home page or contact us page using by 301 and 302 redirection. 302 nothing but permanent. 302 nothing but temporary redirection. 301 is the permanent. So always when you click the about us, they redirect to always contact us. Already page is there, contact us page. Look here. But if you click the about us also, they go into the contact us page. It's always permanent redirection. Suppose is only for temporary for 2 or 3 days. After that, you can remove this one. Click here. What is that? Delete. Save change. Now come to here. Home. If anybody click the about, open for the existing page. Suppose your website under maintenance, a website changes purpose. We are using by this kind of redirection. This is done by the developers. We can know about the what is mean by the redirection code. They asking by interview question. What is mean by 301? What is mean by 302? Why using by 301 and 302? What is mean by 403? Your website domain and hosting will be live. Website has the no data, 0 size. They will be called 403 forbidden. 404 nothing but file not found. You are searching unknown content. They showing by the 404. Simple here. Just go to my website. You look careful. Watch. After training, I'm entering from wrong something like this. Look here. They show which page? Home page. Why? I'm entering the wrong URL. Suppose come to your website, flipkart.com/ I'm entering for wrong something like this. They're going to where? Why? This is all nothing but they relate to the home page. If you are entering the wrong URL, everything, this is nothing but 404 file not found. Suppose if you are searching for website, what is that? Sorry, no search result found. But your website something and showing anything, you can search in a number of products. This is nothing but all will be called 404 error code. So clear? This code will be done by our website. In your blogger, we can write the code also. The code will be there in SEO on-page code. We can write that code also. Here. This is the 301 and 302. Along with the video will display here. Yes. This complete video will be there into the my website. We can check individual videos here. I will check by our coding also. SEO on-page code. Just come down here. 404 file not found error code is that. The code will be done by the test file .xt access. The file name is .xt access. Is it clear? This is called complete for 404 file not found syntax. So this is nothing but we discuss about the title tag, meta tags, anchor text, alt tag, and canonical form, and we'll be using by the redirections.